The demand for themed birthday celebrations has skyrocketed as hosts seek unique ways to personalize their events. Whether you're a creative typist documenting recipes or a gamer celebrating a level up, the right chocolate-themed aesthetics offer a rich, indulgent appeal. This guide evaluates top-tier decorations based on their design versatility, build quality, ease of assembly, and overall value to help you create a show-stopping birthday centerpiece. Product number 1. Chocolate Party Decorations and Supplies. If you want to transform an entire room into a cocoa lover's dream, this all-in-one kit is a powerhouse of value. It effectively moves beyond the cake alone, providing a cohesive happy birthday banner, matching cake toppers, and themed balloons. For those who prioritize a unified aesthetic, this set removes the guesswork. The build quality is surprisingly robust, featuring premium thick cardstock that resists the common wilting seen in cheaper paper decorations. From a design standpoint, the color palette utilizes deep cocoa browns and creamy accents that mimic the look of luxury chocolate bars. It's an excellent choice for a busy host. The banner comes pre-assembled, saving you precious minutes during the party setup. Comprehensive set includes a banner, cake topper, cupcake toppers, and latex balloons. Durable material, crafted from eco-friendly high-quality cardboard. Versatile design, suitable for all ages from toddlers to chocoholic adults.
Product number 2. Chocolate Happy Birthday Cake Topper, Black Glitter. Sometimes the best chocolate cake design is one that lets the frosting do the talking, while a single piece of jewelry provides the accent. This black glitter topper offers a sophisticated, modern contrast to the rich browns of a ganache or buttercream finish. The black glitter is designed specifically to catch the light without shedding, ensuring your cake remains food safe and photo ready. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this topper feels sturdy enough to be reused for future celebrations. It's particularly effective for over-the-hill birthdays or formal evening parties where a whimsical theme might feel too young. The sharp calligraphy adds a touch of handmade elegance that elevates even a simple store-bought cake into a custom masterpiece. Key features: no shed glitter, high-quality finish that stays on the topper, not on the cake. Modern aesthetic, provides a sharp, chic contrast to chocolate frosting. Ready to use, no assembly required, just insert and enjoy. Product number 3. Streamline Imagined Birthday Slice of Cake Planter, Chocolate. This entry is for the host who wants a design idea that outlasts the party. This ceramic planter is shaped like a perfect slice of double-layer chocolate cake, complete with frosting and a birthday candle. While it functions as a quirky centerpiece, it doubles as a long-term keepsake or gift. The ceramic craftsmanship is the standout here. It features a drainage hole and a matching water dish, making it a functional home for a succulent or small houseplant. In terms of party design, placing this next to the actual cake creates a playful meta visual that guests will love. It is a high-value item because it transitions from a birthday prop to a permanent piece of home decor. Key features: high-end material, durable glazed ceramic with realistic chocolate textures. Functional decor, includes a drainage hole for live plants. Unique gift, perfect for the birthday person who loves both gardening and sweets. Product number 4. Chocolate Birthday Party Decorations, Hanging Swirls and Honeycombs. For those looking for a 3D experience, this set focuses on verticality. Along with a standard banner, it includes hanging swirls and chocolate-themed honeycomb centerpieces. This is the ultimate choice for large venues or rooms with high ceilings where a cake on a table might otherwise look small. The visual impact of the PVC hanging swirls is undeniable. They catch the light and add movement to the room. The honeycomb centerpieces feature different chocolate designs like bars and truffles, adding texture to the dessert table. The cardstock is thick and double-sided, ensuring the decorations look great from every angle. It's a budget-friendly way to make a space feel full and professionally decorated. Key features: dynamic motion. Shimmering PVC swirls add energy to the party space. 3D elements. Honeycomb designs provide great tabletop texture. Easy hanging. Includes pre-installed hooks for quick installation.
Product number 5. Handmade Glitter Happy Birthday Cake Topper. There is a certain charm to handmade items that mass-produced plastic cannot replicate. This topper, often crafted from premium glitter cardstock with a white backing, offers a personalized touch that feels warm and intentional. The build quality focuses on the stick, usually a food-safe lollipop stick or bamboo skewer that provides a firm anchor even in dense fudge cakes. Because these are often made to order, the glitter is typically of a higher grade, offering a more brilliant sparkle than standard retail options. It is the perfect finishing touch for a homemade chocolate cake, giving it that professional bakery-style finish without the professional price tag. Key features: artisanal feel, handmade quality that adds a personal touch to the celebration, sturdy anchor, uses food-safe sticks that won't lean or fall, customizable appeal, often available in various chocolate complementary colors like gold or copper.